discover about this enigmatic soul, as well as his heartfelt insights and revelations that are found in these letters. Elias Lindenwold's words are a guiding light for us all, illuminating the path ahead with courage and understanding. Thank you for joining us here at Compassion Matters for this unforgettable expedition of compassion and connection. Together we will explore the depth of Elias's wisdom, one letter at a time, revealing these timeless truths. Remember, dear friends, you are part of this journey too. Your presence, your support, and your compassion matters. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more revelations about Elias Lindenwold and these extraordinary letters. His writing and friendship transcends time and space, offering hope and healing to all of us today who are living with MECFS.